If you want to add muted words and tags in Bluesky, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Click the three bars at the top left. Go ahead to the settings, click moderation, and then you're going to see muted words and tags. Go ahead and click on it. And you're going to be able to enter a word or a tag. Okay? In my case, let's have an example. I want to maybe add a tag, for example, right? And select the duration if you want it to be forever, 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. In my case, I'm going to mute the word spoilers, right? Game of Thrones. Game or goat. Okay. Goat. Sorry. Goat. And then you're going to be able to mute in text and tags or tags only. You can just do that. Or in my case, I can just go ahead and add a hashtag, for example, right? A tag is a hashtag in Bluesky. So let's have an example. Hi. And you can set the time, the duration, and if you want to mute it for tags only or text and tags. And the options right here: exclude users you follow, and then go ahead right here and click add. Now you created a muted or muted those specific words in Bluesky, all right, and you will never see them on your search or your home feed. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.